I thought of something interesting, so I figured I better record it before I forgot about it. Uh, Sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, in babies. Is it possible that smoke detectors play a part in it somehow? Unexplained infant deaths and smoke detectors have a certain amount, uh, they give off a certain amount of radioactivity. They're radioactive. Radiation, they might not actually be radioactive. I'm not a scientist, okay? I just thought, wouldn't it be weird if there was a correlation there somehow? Yeah. They've, to my knowledge, they've never done a smoke detector radiation study on babies. So, just a thought.